So your today lecture is accounting terminologies. It's on your screen. So if any query will be there, you will be writing in chat box. If it is clear, then you will be raising your hands. Your first chapter is accounting terminologies. As far as yesterday we had discussed about some of the terms of accounting and what is accounts, how many steps are there. So basic things that we need to understand about accountancy. We should know that what accounting terminologies stand for. Accounting terminologies means the basic terms which we use in accounts. So see, your first term is business. An organization created with the objective of making profit from the sale of goods or services. कोई भी ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो किसी प्रॉफिट मोटिव के साथ स्टार्ट होती है and for the sale of goods and services we call it as business. It is very simple term. Second term what we use is it's bookkeeping. As I told you yesterday, something recording by your mother in a diary is a bookkeeping. But if we start making it properly and in a systematic order, it will become bookkeeping. So the act of systematically recording the financial transactions affecting a business. तो जो भी transactions आपके business को affect करती हैं, financial transactions, that means आपने कुछ खरीदा, yes, आपके जितना पैसा आपने business में लगाया, आप उसमें से use कर रहे हो पैसे को. After selling that particular thing, आपको कुछ profit होता है, amount comes in. So these both terms affect these financial transactions are affecting your business. तो वो सारी transactions जो आपके business को affect करती हैं financially, you have to record all these transactions very systematically. Systematically means date wise. When something is coming into your business, when something is going out from your business, you have to keep a record day wise. We call it as systematic recording, or we call it as chronological order of recording all the things. We call it as bookkeeping. Is it okay? So let me proceed further. It's book value. Third term you will be knowing that will be book value. Any amount, your net amount, that means original value of the product plus or minus any adjustment such as depreciation showed in the accounts of an asset, liability, owner's equity. Now these particular terms I will be making you clear in further slides. That is what is asset, what is liability, what is owner's equity, what is depreciation. So just remind me, I have to tell you about this book value. You will understand this particular term when you will be clear about the depreciation, asset, liability and owner's equity. Okay, so we'll be reading it afterwards. Next we have calendar year. Yesterday I told you calendar year begins from 1st Jan to 31st December. For financial year, as we are into the business, we go with financial year. We proceed with financial year. So we call it as calendar year of a business, but calendar year of a business begins from 1st April to 31st March every year. Is it fine? If still you are having doubt, you can raise your hand, you can write in the chat box. I hope calendar year is clear. It will cover whole 12 months. Next term comes transactions. Now what is transaction? That is exchange of goods or services. Exchange of goods and services means when anything is you are selling or you are purchasing, that means you are exchanging something. Either you are giving goods and you are taking up money. If you are giving your services, that means if you are manager, अगर आप manager हो तो आप अपनी company को, अपनी organization को अपनी services दे रहे हो. So anything which you are doing in exchange of a money, if anything is being exchanged, चाहे वो गुड्स है, चाहे वो सर्विसेज है, अगर किसी भी बिजनेस या इंडिविजुअल में ऐसी कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होती है, वी कॉल इट इज अ ट्रांजैक्शन। मतलब किसी भी चीज का होना, in exchange of certain thing, we give this term, that is transaction is being between two persons. So it can, there can also be other events having an economic impact on a business। मतलब आप किसी दूसरे आउटसाइडर के साथ कोई बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आफ्टर दैट यू आर गेटिंग मनी एंड यू आर इम्पैक्टेड। आपके बिजनेस में इम्पैक्ट, बिजनेस में इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है, या बिजनेस को प्रॉफिट होता है, या पैसा आता है, या पैसा जाता है। तो with this we can say that these terms, the term basically what we use is called transaction। Next we have in the very next slide, so out of these 5 terms, skip this book value, these 4 terms are clear? Just raise your hand so that I can move further. Are you listening to me? Yes, Jaskirat?